guys, to another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make that RGB shift effect. So you guys probably saw that at the start of the video. So to get started, drag your clip to the start into the timeline and put your music or whatever you guys want to put. So I'm gonna find my first, where the first beat is. So it's right there, and I'm gonna see where the dog starts moving. So let me just add a marker right here, and then dog starts moving at right. So once his paw hits the ground, so that's right there. Add a marker, and I'm gonna sync the. So right now, I'm gonna make a duplicate of this and remove all the markers. But I guess I can't. Okay. So once it hits the ground, I'm gonna cut it there, and then go to effects and type in RGB, color balance, drag it onto here, and drag a lens this one as well. So for the color balance, make it to whatever color you want. I'll change it to red. I'll just make it yellow. So yellow, and for the curvature, change it to minus. And when you're over here, change this to lighten. That'll just like change it. It'll change the color mode. Say, make it just 5. -5, don't change it to positive. Okay, so at the start, it looks around. So here's the next beat. Seriously. The next beat saying is right. Oh. Right there, and I'll cut this one and then change it. Oh yeah, there's a glitch by the way. Instead of 100 it shows 39. Just change it to 100. Make a kind of pink color, and then add a transition. Just go to video transitions. That's too long. Let's change 2. Yep, like that. Add the transition to this one as well. Just missed a lot of beats. it's pink kind of, and then cut it again. And so right now I'm gonna make like lots of colors in one picture. So change it to red. That should be perfect, like as close. And change this one to, and this one. So it will look like normal now, because you have to change the curvature on each different video, so it shows out that instead of just like turning into normal white. So right there, and then we'll add another. That's me. Okay, then once we get to here, change everything back to normal. It should be normal again. Yeah, so that's basically it for this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.